The Ingenia Ambition 1.5 Tesla magnet is the next generation of MR technology. It brings together, I think, the most important aspects of having a successful MR system. Think of the concept of having an MR machine that is nearly helium-free. That is where we're going, and Philips is leading that charge.
So with the Blue Seal technology, we've reduced the helium that we need inside of the magnet to keep it superconductive. We've gone from 1,500 liters down to 7 liters, which makes the weight of the magnet much less, much easier to site. But it also does not require us to have a vent pipe, since the magnet, if it were to quench, can actually quench internally, and we can actually recover that helium and get the magnet back up and running much sooner for the customer.
Compressed sense is a real game changer. It allows us to decide if we need more signal for a particular patient or if we need less time. And you're able to perform the best possible examination for that patient.
Our workflow becomes that much more efficient. Faster exam, higher quality images, and less time inside the magnet. With VitalEye, we're able to get high-resolution acquisitions with the patient just breathing normally.
As soon as the patient is placed on the system, the VitalEye is starting to look at the respiratory rate and already tagging that. As soon as you close the door, it can start scanning. We're able to manipulate these sequences to lower breaths. This has made a significant improvement in our image quality.
The vital screen allows the techs to be much more productive. They can change the weight of the patient right there at the vital screen. They can change things like orientation of the patient. They can also verify that the gating is working if they're going to be using cardiac gating, which they use quite a lot here. All of this they can do right at the magnet, which makes them much more productive, and they're spending much more time with the patients, making sure that they're comfortable and ready to go.
With auto voice, it enables us to shift our focus from having to manually give the breathing instructions to the patient to now planning the exam. So we don't have to manually direct the patient on breathing and not breathing. We could go ahead and just let the machine do the work of the breathing instructions while we continue planning the exam.
The comfort mattresses too. I've had numerous patients tell me how comfortable it was to lay on this table compared to the older systems that they've had MRIs on. The easy switch allows us to ramp the magnet down quite quickly and bring it back up. So that means less downtime for the customer.
My advice for potential customers would be to pretty much look no further. The Ambition will provide them with the most technologist and patient-friendly system out there, and they will not be disappointed with the system. I can assure them that.